Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn the point command and the point style. So let's start with this tutorial. Now in point command the shortcut key is PO and for point style the shortcut key is PT. First we'll see the point command. We'll give shortcut key PO, enter and click here. You'll get a point on your screen. Suppose if you want to give points on your screen, then you can use this point command. Again give PO, enter, click here, you'll get another point. Now if you see here, for each and every point you have to give the command again and again. So suppose if you want multiple points, then you can go to this draw panel. Here there is an option multiple points, click on it. Now you can give multiple points on your screen. There are no limits for the points. And say enter. Now if you say these points, these are not clearly visible. So to mark these points, you will have to give the point style. You can give the shortcut key PT or you can go to this utility. Here there is a point style, click on this and you will get these options, these styles of point. Now suppose I take this, click on this and say OK. Now you can say this marks has come on your points. These points are clearly visible now because of these markings. You can locate these points easily. You can take line command and locate these points by clicking on these marks. Say enter. Now again we'll go to point style. Now here there is an option set size relative to screen. Now if you take this and here if you increase this by 10, now this will increase or decrease as you zoom out or zoom in your screen. Again if you take PT and select this set size in absolute unit and say OK, then the size of these marks is 10. We have given 10. It will remain as per the actual units. So here we'll have to take the set size relative to screen and say OK. Now again there is another option for point command, that is by coordinate methods. That is if you give PO, enter. Now here you can mention the coordinates. I'll give coordinates, that is 5, 10 and say enter. Now you'll see here this point has come at the coordinates of 5 and 10. 5 from y-axis and 10 from x-axis. Again I'll give another coordinate, that is 10 by 20, enter. Here you'll see this point has come at the distance of 10 from y-axis and 20 from x-axis. So hope you all have understood how to use this point command and point style. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.